My brother and my sisters, then when I do this sound a beautiful sister, Laminatu Sanko, the one and only. The original, no duplicate. Any other Laminatu na a carbon copy. As soon as I can see, I just grab. I can a little bungalow, I come outside, say, make I can do this short clip. First of all, to my brothers, they all, I wish you a happy Father's Day. This video what they make, I call and say Father's Day video. Happy Father's Day to all the men in the world. All the papa them, I wish you all happy Father's Day. And even to the woman, to some of the women, because what you do, some of the women and they, then are the mama, then are the papa. My sisters say, to una self again, happy Father's Day, job well done. Una thank you for taking care of Pekin, you know, easy. Because some of my brothers, then they are just a donor. And no say many women then they will be for say, then a mama, then a papa. So to them woman then they, my sisters them, I they wish una all a happy Father's Day. Una they do a wonderful job. Una na mama, una na papa. Happy Father's Day to una all my sisters them. And to me brothers them, the one they were caring, where they take care of their responsibilities. And they repeat again, happy Father's Day to una all. And even the one they were not donors them, where they know they grieve for take care of them, picking them. And they wish themselves a happy Father's Day. Because they know say, they get responsibility. Then just they ignore the responsibility. And they pray may God touch the hearts, may they able for turn around and take care of their responsibility. You, my brother, where they watch this tip. If it be say you not one of the man then, we get picking, we know they take care of that picking, they will not care. I they beg you in the name of God, my brother. As from today, grab me, take care of your responsibility. Then picking the ass over with the born, we not know what I get for enjoy them tomorrow. Sometimes the mama ain't go first die. Sometimes the papa ain't go first die. But when we born them picking aso, when they left the picking and give we. Most of una, when they left them picking aso give we. Me brothers, at the beguna in the name of God. Any of una we no say una get picking the one una not care about, una not they take care of them, una no one know. At the beguna in the name of God, una grab and shoulder una responsibilities. At the beg. Not so we no more the born them picking aso. Now we and we na the born them picking the ya. May God touch una hearts them. Lo una hearts them turn around. Lo una able for take care of una responsibilities. I wish una a happy Father's Day too. And I hope say God go turn una around. For lo una member say yes, una born picking tradi. Lo una help them poor girl then ya for take care of them picking and ya. He asks for we the woman, they're very difficult. Would they be mama, would they be papa, would they be teacher? Because trust me, the homework they wouldn't give them picking day. Be it overseas or Africa, the homework them plenty. Now we the mama them, when they left them picking us so giwy, would they be mama, would they be papa, would they be teacher? My brothers say, at the beguna in the name of God, it's about time. Lo una grab and shoulder una responsibilities. And not so una able for one. Make I tell una something. I not care what that woman don't do you. That woman not so you born am. Now you woman. Or are you fiancé, or are you girlfriend? But are you flesh and blood where he born for you, that picky way born for you, now you your flesh and blood that one day, now you your image that one day. Take care of your responsibility, my brothers. I wish you now all a happy Father's Day. And to the real papa that where they out there, where they take care of them, picking them, do everything. Some papa then they not only papa them, but they na mama them as well. I can tell now. There are a lot of good fathers out there. So papa then when they say PTA meeting at school, not them. When they say homework, not them. I wish them a happy Father's Day. So, my sisters, una where they take care of una picking the way the man they not care, they left them picking them give una. Una not swear them man they yeah. Una just pray for them, may God turn them around. Because when you don't born picking for man, and they repeat, where you don't born picking for man, not swear the man. And the beguna in the name of God. Before you swear the man, pray for him. Sometimes they demand and they can do with so much bonats. It's difficult, my sisters. I know how it is. For be mama and for be papa. I know so that they feel like it's difficult, it's hard. They know that they be teacher back. But we not swear them. Una pray for them, my sisters. Them. I wish una a happy Father's Day. A double happy Father's Day. Kudos to una. I take my hats off for una. I wish una a happy Father's Day, my sisters. Say. Una not swear them and then ya. Before una swear them, una pray for them. May God turn them around. May God change them. May they able to turn around and look say yes, and get picking their responsibilities. I love una, and I know say una love me more. Happy Father's Day again from Lamina to Sanko, the one and only, the original, no duplicate. Happy Father's Day to all the men in the world. I wish una all a very good day. I hope so una all go enjoy una day. Again, with the woman them, I hope so we don't buy gifts for them because so them papa them. We don't buy the gifts because when Mother's Day can come, now so yeah they can shine, especially Lamina to within aya. Me na make one for talk several I want for Mother's Day. I can don't they put in me requests. Say Mother's Day na this let me want or na this one for buy for me, na this one for do for me. So I hope say una say don't buy una gifts them for them man then yeah. And today na they will for pamper them. Na they will be for pamper them, my sisters them. If you get that foot massage machine at us, not today you for use them. Massage your man in foot. Get everything. Serve them breakfast in bed. Una for pamper them. If na man we get for go work again, trust me, when he come work, you know they sleep in that job. When he come work, when he come, my sister, you for pamper that man. You for pamper and today na then yondi. Because what we yonde can come, we are the shine, we wait for see what they do for we. So today na then yonde for lo we spoil them rotten. Lo we spoil them nyaka. Anything they want, we answer. Okay. Una for grumble today na then yondi. So happy Father's Day to all my wonderful brothers there out there. And to all my sisters there out there. Where then a papa, then a mama, then a teacher. Happy Father's Day to una, my sisters. Kudos, I take my hat off for una, for una again for the second time. I love una, and I know so una love me more. This is una beautiful sister, Lamina to Sanko, the one and only, the original, no duplicates. Any other Lamina to na a carbon copy. Una tata for now.